Hi, I'm Alice. I'm an English teacher.
Hi, I'm Thomas. I'm a marketer. It's nice to meet you, Alice.
Nice to meet you too, Thomas. Where are you from?
I'm from the UK.
Oh, that's interesting. I've always wanted to visit the UK.
You should. It's a great place.
So, what do you do for a living?
I'm a marketer for a tech company.
Oh, that's cool. I've always been interested in marketing.
It's a great field. There's always something new to learn.
Yeah, I can see how that would be challenging and rewarding.
It is.
So, what are you doing here at the conference?
I'm here to learn about new marketing trends.
Oh, that's great. I'm here to present a paper on teaching English to non-native speakers.
That sounds interesting. I'd love to hear more about it.
Sure, I'd be happy to tell you about it later.
Great.
Well, it was nice meeting you, Thomas. It was nice meeting you too, Alice. I hope we can talk more later.
Me too. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend if you want.